This is the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 7, and it reads, "And when ye should hear of wars and rumors of wars, be ye not troubled, for such things must need be, but the end shall not be yet." It's the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 8. "For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be earthquakes in divers places, and there shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginning of sorrows." Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakakadash. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, and the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And Shalom to the elders Wa'aki and Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. This is a sit-down lesson of two news articles that I'm about to bring out, and the first one is from the JerusalemPost.com by the Jerusalem Post staff, published November the 10th, 2023, and last updated November 10th, 2023, and it reads, "Rocket sirens sound in Israel South." It says rocket siren sounded in the south of Israel at 2:44 a.m. November 10th. The place impact of Nashar al-Z Amlam Sa'ad Kafar Assad. No direct hit has been reported thus far. And this is another news article. As it says, the IDF targets in Syria in response to drone attack in Eilat. I did a lesson similar to this day before yesterday or earlier today. And this is a news article from the Jerusalem Post by the Jerusalem Post staff, published November the 10th, 2023. And it reads once again, "The IDF attacks targets in Syria in response to drone attack on Eilat." The IDF has conducted an airstrike in Syria as a response to a drone that hit a school in Eilat on Thursday. The IDF said early Friday morning they were able to confirm that the drone has originated from Syria. The IDF attack organization that launched in response. The Syrian regime is fully responsible for any act carried out from Syrian territory, the IDF said in response, and vows to respond severely to any attempts to harm the territory of the State of Israel. And this is the book of Mark 13 and verse 7. "And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. Be ye not troubled, for such things must need be, but the end shall not be yet." So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying of these recent two news articles from the JerusalemPost.com by the Jerusalem Post staff as of November 10th, 2023. And it says again, the IDF attacks targets in Syria in response to drone attack in Eilat. In the second news article, it says rocket sirens in Israel South as of November 10th, 2023 from the JerusalemPost.com. So with that, hopefully these news articles was edifying of this sit-down lesson. And with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders Wa'aki and Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom.